pouring down at Universal now. Matthew's standing in a line, a block where I'm pointing, waiting for a concert that's going to be right over here. This is freaking nuts. So there's unlimited waiting lines for this, for a Led Zeppelin reunion. This is nuts. I don't believe it. Oh well. Kids. I have to go pee, and I'm gonna have to walk out in this stuff if it doesn't quit. Ay, ay, ay. For a new bladder. Alright, it's really storming now. Definitely cats and dogs. Lightning. I don't know if you see this very well or not, but it is crazy rain now. Let's get a view in the back. Normally this is all lit up pretty well down there. You can see the cars. You can really see the cars down there. Oh, that rain is crazy. Driving. See the headlights over there. Oh. Bingo! Alright, I'm going back in. I don't want to get hit by lightning. China News said that this is the lightning capital of the world, South Central Florida.